Abrir camino, abrir camino. So now we're getting a bit more advanced here. Abrir camino. This is not a literal translation. So it's not. This expression is used in very specific situations, and it means to pave the way. Okay, so you are doing something to pave the way. Okay, so maybe you're working towards something to accomplish something, and that will pave the way to other things. Okay, so abrir, abrir, abrir. The literal meaning is to open. Abrir. Camino, camino means a few things. Camino is a noun. It's a masculine noun, el camino, and that means path. Okay, it means road, it means way in certain situations. Technically, it's a physical road, you know. El camino al pueblo es largo. The road to the village is long, for example. Or we can be talking about something more, not literal, but more figuratively. We can be talking about the path to success, for example, el camino hacia el éxito. So camino can be used in those situations as well. And it's an interesting noun. It can be literal and not literal, more figuratively, but it's a good noun. In this situation, it means to pave the way. So let's look at some examples using this phrase. Las reglas nuevas abren camino para mejoras. Las reglas nuevas abren camino para mejoras. This is advanced. This is advanced. It means the new rules pave the way for improvements. So you want to improve something. In this situation, you need rules to pave the way. So abrir camino, you need rules, reglas. Reglas means rules. And let's break this down. Let's see how this sentence works. Las, the reglas. Reglas means rules. Okay. Regla means ruler, by the way. Or rulers, reglas, right? But it also means rules. Nuevas is an adjective. This is an adjective and it means new. Why nuevas? Because we're talking about reglas. Reglas is feminine and also plural. So you can see here as well the definite article is plural. The noun, obviously, that's plural, indicates what you need. If you have a plural noun, that tells you what adjectives you need, plural adjectives, and also you need to pay attention of the gender. Reglas is feminine, so you need feminine definite articles, feminine adjectives, and also plural. Okay. Abren camino means pave the way para, for, man, you cannot say the word, for mejoras. Mejoras is another noun and it means improvements. Improvements, okay? So this is a good noun. By the way, mejoras is feminine. Las mejoras, improvements, okay? So las reglas nuevas abren camino para mejoras. The new rules pave the way for improvements. Okay? Well, that's interesting. Abrir camino. Abrir camino. Now let's look at another example using this phrase. La investigación abrió camino a nuevas soluciones. La investigación abrió camino a nuevas soluciones. And this means the research paved the way for new solutions. Okay? Let's break this down. La investigación, the research, investigación. It's a long noun, but it means research. So, la investigación, the research, abrió camino, paved the way. This is in present tense, past tense. For nuevas, new soluciones. You can also say soluciones nuevas, the other way around, and that works. Or you can say nuevas soluciones, new solutions. Okay? Sometimes you can do that in Spanish. Sometimes you can have adjective, noun. Because usually you have noun, adjective. But there are some situations where you can actually have the adjective before. We can talk about it in a different lesson, but it's interesting. It's interesting that happens as well. Soluciones, solutions. Okay? So abrir camino means to pave the way. It's similar to saying that.